How well can you problem solve? So my little brother just shared a clip with me from the Joe Rogan Experience with him talking to Ben Affleck, and Ben Affleck was going into a conversation about how he was training with some Delta Force guys for a movie he was doing. And for those who don't know who Delta Force is, they're one of the most elite special operating groups in the U.S., but also in the world. And what they said was that they look for somebody who can problem solve, basically, like, and obviously at an elite level, and they're doing it under duress, but that's what they're looking for, the ability to problem solve, because if you can do that solve problems while stressed out, so to speak, or under some chaotic conditions, then we can teach you the rest of the things we need to teach you. Now, does that mean that you can problem solve really well, you're going to make Delta Force? No, but it can apply to everything else you do in life. If you can stay calm under pressure, if things are going on, and you can just work through the problems, accept the reality that's in front of you, whether you wanted it to be there or not, and then just start working through solving problems or moving through things, rather than getting stuck in the emotions or stuck in the thought of, oh, well, this shouldn't have happened, or I didn't want this to happen. Great, it did. So work through it, solve whatever problems in front of you now, and then continue moving forward and growing and developing. And that's all they're looking for. Now, they obviously are doing it at a much a very elite level, and there's a lots of other things they're looking for, but effectively it's the same concept, right? And then again, you can apply this to every aspect of your life and anything you do, whether relationships, it can be work, it can be in traffic, whatever it is. If you can just take that half a second, half a beat, take a breath real quick, and then solve whatever problems in front of you, whether you wanted it to be or not, I'm telling you, your life will dramatically change. Hope that helps.